Hey everyone, my name is Kezia and today I'm gonna be doing a very quick and easy tutorial. So if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy! I'm going to start off with my current favorite moisturizer. I just apply it all over my face and don't forget to also apply the rest of it to your neck. I am telling you, it is very important. To prep my face, I'm using this facial spray as a primer to make my face more glowy. I don't use any foundation for this look just because I want my skin to look very fresh and glowy. So here I am using one of my favorite concealer to cover my under eye, redness, and also some of my blemishes. With the Maybelline concealer, I use it to highlight my features and to make it a little bit brighter. And yeah, while I was doing this, I just realized that these colors are way too light for my skin tone this summer. But don't worry about it, I'll work with it later. So yeah, I just blend, and blend. Here is the lifesaver. I'm using the Bahama Mama bronzer to bring back colors to my face. I basically put it everywhere, on my cheekbones, temple, jawlines, basically everywhere. I'm using the same product to contour my nose. Don't get too crazy with it, just follow your natural nose shape like what I do here. And yes, I forgot to do this step before, but here I am using my Kiehl's lip balm to keep my lip moisturized. Moving on, I put on my Maybelline highlighter stick on my cheekbones and also on my nose. I love this stick highlighter if I go for a more natural look just because the glow is very subtle. It looks like it's a natural glow from your skin, you know? Next, I'm using a powder foundation to set my under eye from creasing. I also put some of it to my oily area like my forehead, around my nose, and also my chin. For brows, I don't get too crazy with it anymore. I just brush it with my Benefit Gimme Brow to give a little bit of color and just fill it a little bit. Why? Mostly because I'm too lazy. To make my face look very fresh, I put a lot of blush on my cheeks. For the color, I'm using a coral shade and it just looks perfect for summer. It makes you look like you've been out in the sun when in reality, you're probably just staying at home, like me. With whatever products left on the brush, I just put it all over my nose and also on my chin. For the eyes, I go back with my Bahama Mama bronzer and just put it all over my lids. My lashes are pretty decent, but they are very straight. So I just curl my lashes and put on the Maybelline mascara. For me personally, mascara makes a huge difference on my makeup. Some days I'm just too lazy to put on eyeliner, so I usually just use my brow product to line my outer eye to make it look bigger. Next, I'm just gonna set my face with my rose water facial spray. If you're extra like me, feel free to add some more highlighters. Here I am using a powder highlighter from Wet n Wild, and look at that glow. Here is the last part. I put on my tinted lip balm and just layer it with a lip gloss. I feel like it's just perfect for this glowy look. So here's the final look. Very easy, very simple. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!